dumb phone still won't turn on. It's still on charge. It's been like this for over an hour. And this is really annoying. Really annoying. Look at that ugliness. What can you do? We're still here waiting. Hasn't turned on. It's been another hour or so. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this phone. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I do not know what I'm gonna do with this phone. Come back to you in an hour.
Nice.
I'm still here. It's still turned off. It's all nighttime. And I don't want to turn on the flash because people will know that I'm still awake and all that stuff. And it's really, I don't want to wake anybody up. It's still that I can't do anything about it. And it's still been. So what can I do? So I'll show you guys later tomorrow in the morning. Okay, it's 2 a.m. and it still hasn't charged. I had to turn on my flashlight quickly, so I can't do anything about it. This is dumb, okay? If anybody, please comment below and tell me what is wrong with it. iPhone 5, iPhone 5S. It's charged. It's charging right here. It's really annoying. It's been like this since yesterday. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing. Can't sell it. It won't work. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Can someone just help me? My God. Why? Okay, guys. If you guys can help me, please leave a like and help me support so I can get a phone. And then, can you please tell me what's wrong with it? I just really need some help. Thank you. Signing off. Snackman24. See you guys. It's a miracle. It's a miracle, I say. It turned on after another 2 days of charging. It turned on. Yes. Finally. Thank you. Now let's see how it is. Let's turn it on and let's check out this content. See how it is. I've been on this for quite a while. And it took a picture. And now it's all green. And it's really bright. I don't know how I can look at this.
Your light on, you dummy.
Okay, I just focused the camera on this and it worked. Okay. Okay, so let's see what we can do on this. What? No, that's we don't want an Apple Watch. Okay, so we have all these amazing okay games, like okay games.
Are you crying?